Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. This is going to be a quick look at the Kizer Clutch. We have a blade length of 3.35 inches or 85 millimeters of S35VN. The finish appears to be stone washed and the grind is a flat grind. We have a weight of 3.2 ounces or 90 grams. The finger choil is just the right size for my index finger. The knife is pretty comfortable in a pinch grip. The spine of the blade is smooth. I would actually like to see jimping up there to give you a little more grip. Under the nub of the pocket clip, the micarta is machined flat so it doesn't tear up your pockets. The pocket clip works quite well, and I like how it rides in the pocket, so no issues there. The micarta overlay on the handle also solves the issue of frame locks where the lock bar cutaway on the frame lock can trap the fabric of your material and make the knife difficult to extract. So I like this overlay idea. The pocket clip is right hand only, so that will be an issue for some people. Now I really do like this design. I really like this textured micarta on both sides, both because it solves the issue of metal-handled knives being slippery, and also it solves the issue of frame locks, the death grip issue where pressure on the lock bar prevents the knife from opening. However, Kizer's execution of this in this example is extremely poor, and I will show you why. This knife does not have a detent. I don't think it even has a detent ball in it, and this is how it came from the factory. So the knife will just shake out like that. So basically the knife is not safe in this condition and it's not usable. Also, I'm not sure if it's an issue with the detent being missing, but the centering is off also. So I don't know how this ever got out of the Kizer factory. So a big thumbs down for that. So I'm going to be returning this knife. There's no reason for me to deal with it since I bought it new from a dealer. So thank you for watching and have a great day.